In today's high-paced and demanding environment, customers expect products to be reliable and long-lasting, even as functionality and performance requirements grow. Predicting a product's lifespan as early as possible in the design process is of critical importance for manufacturers to ensure that it works as expected. With Simulia's durability performance engineer role, design engineers can quickly understand not only the structural integrity of a product, but also its durability to determine its performance in the real world without expensive prototypes and time-consuming physical testing. With this role, users will be able to leverage guided assistance and automated model creation tools to intuitively set up multi-step structural simulations on small to large models to help drive design decisions, perform sophisticated structural simulations powered by the market leader Abacus technology during the early design stage, predict accurate fatigue lives and ensure complex engineering products are designed for durability, estimate the life cycle of components subjected to repeating loads with stress and strain methods, and experience efficient what-if scenarios through seamless associativity with geometry. With the scalable computing capacity offered by cloud architecture, you can execute large, complex simulations with a very quick turnaround time and accurate results. Leveraging high-performance visualization capabilities, extremely insightful information about structural performance and durability can be obtained to drive design improvement decisions, particularly for very large models. With Simulia's durability performance engineer role, you design and engineer better products faster by avoiding late-stage redesigns, extending life and service of the product by understanding its long-term durability, reducing expensive prototypes and physical testing, minimizing warranty costs, delivering durable and high-quality products helping to build a reputation as a leader in the market, and collaborating with all project stakeholders, sharing simulation results easily on the web dashboard so they become valuable insights for informed decisions.